In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about using the Webflow Navigator Panel. This tool is incredibly useful for anyone looking to have a clear view of the structure of their web page while designing in Webflow. The Navigator Panel is a dynamic feature that outlines the content of your current page, offering a detailed view of the hierarchy of both parent and child elements. Essentially, this tool functions as a map of your web page's structure, helping you to easily identify and interact with different components of your design. To access the Navigator panel, you can simply click on the Navigator icon located in the left toolbar. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts for efficiency, just press the Z key, which will quickly open the panel for you. Once opened, you might notice that the default width might not always suit your preference or depending on your screen size. You can easily adjust the width of the Navigator panel. To do this, hover your cursor over the boundary that separates the Navigator panel from the design field. Click and drag this boundary left or right to resize it to your comfort, providing more visibility of the design field or the panel, depending on your current needs. A really handy aspect of the Navigator panel is its interactivity. When you hover over the names of the elements within the panel, they will automatically be highlighted on the design field. This direct visual feedback is an excellent tool for when you're struggling to select a specific element directly from your design interface. This feature ensures that you can always see exactly which element you're about to work on, minimizing any guesswork or confusion. Furthermore, the Navigator panel isn't just for viewing, it's also interactive. You have the ability to reorganize your elements directly within the panel. You can click and drag these elements to change their order, enhancing the flow and structure of your web page as needed. This is particularly useful when you're refining the arrangement of your components to improve user experience or design aesthetics. Additionally, if you need to modify the hierarchy of your elements, you can drag them left or right. This action allows you to either remove them from their current parent element or nest them under a new parent element. Mastering how to manipulate these elements in the Navigator panel gives you greater control over the structural logic of your web page design, leading to a more polished and professional end result. And that's a wrap. By familiarizing yourself with the Navigator panel, you'll gain a better grasp of Webflow's powerful tools, enhancing your design process and creating more structurally sound web pages. Thank you for following along, and I hope this walkthrough has given you the clarity and confidence to utilize the Navigator panel effectively.